We are processors and marketers of fresh produce, mostly vegetables and fruits, for consumption both in the European and the local market. 99% of our products come from small-scale growers from the size of 0.1 hectare up to around 2 hectares. Some of the farmers are in groups, and other farmers we contract them individually, depending on the scale of their production. Currently in Kirinyaga, Nyeri and Laikipia counties. In future we would want to grow into Meru and Baringo counties. We partnered with AgriFI project. Our project is called Retooling for Sustainability. One of the objectives of the project is to up our level of certification, and we're also looking at adding certification to our local markets, local market product, and also increasing traceability, including traceability tools. After the product comes from the farm, we will receive it using the information management system, where we give it trace codes. That gives our consumers the confidence and also the tools to trace back the source of the product, including harvest dates, pre-harvest activities done on the product, and dates of packing. We also had another challenge about the structure that we've been using in the past. From HCDA government list, we had a lot of temperature leakages. We also had a challenge of pest proofing, which again could not allow us to improve our level of certification of food safety. We also had an issue about the energy use efficiency. The rubber ceilings of the cold rooms were not effective, so meaning that we cannot be able to perfectly utilize the energy available for us. With the AgriFI and Inspira farms, we came together and we are putting up our structure, which will be temperature regulated during packing, and also efficient in energy consumption, and of course allow us to have our staff adhere to COVID requirements. With COVID, one of the things that came in is about restriction of movement locally, and also collapse of the wholesale market in UK and the European market, of which we are dependent with around 80 to 90% of our market. Locally, we're also selling 10 to 20% of our market. And then there was a restriction of movement in Nairobi because of COVID spread. That meant that we needed to reinvent ourselves. This project is geared to achieve higher level of certification, perfecting the cold chain by including refrigerated trucks, improving on our logistics for extension staff in the field, increasing the level of information transfer by putting training tools for both farmers and staff.
Instaveg wamenitrain vizuri sana, na alafu ile kitu ingine ni kunisaidia na madawa. Kwa hivyo naona hata hela zingine zinapunguka juu kwa bei ya duka iko juu na kwa Instaveg iko chini. Nilikuwa nausia broker. Tagu niingie kwa Instaveg, wananikusanyia pesa pamoja, kwa hivyo nachukua pesa zikiwa pamoja. Mambo ya soko ilikuwa shinda, lakini tagu nianzishe hii kampuni ya Instaveg, soko ikawa ni nzuri.
The project benefits farmers in many ways. As a result of the certification, farmers will benefit from higher markets, better prices. Previously, without refrigeration trucks and transportation of product to non-working refrigeration system to our pack houses was causing us food losses to both to us and our farmers. This is likely to reduce from the first month of implementation, first month of packing in March by up to 50%. We also expect the farmers also to benefit through improved yields, through provision of good agricultural practices trainings, and improved crop nutrition.
I started farming last year due to COVID-19. Initially, I was a student doing catering. The benefit that I get from Instaveg is that they pay my money on time, and I'm able to support my education.
Retooling for Sustainability is a very good project for our employees, for us as a business, and for our farmers. So without the input that we got from AgriFi Fund, we could not have been able to achieve this.